Fourth quarter action po, 1-point lead for UP.
I like the shot of Puyos Dino. He needs to get his confidence going. You're the point guard there without Remogat.
Nonji Sanjo, Mrs. Grabe yan nung araw, no? Gabi na ngayon eh.
Oh, Alexander San Pablo. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Cons Alex. Mayang gabi, Idra amigo. 9-minute. Opening of this fourth quarter. Napaka-importante na itong oras na ito for both squad natin. RR. To Minguito. Derecho. Vincent Minguito with a big shot.
When?
Respetuhin yung opponent mo, coach, eh, no?
Never underestimate, especially Minguito.
Malangka misses now. A chance for Welik X Alicia to build their momentum. Minguito again. Minguito is his name. Vincent Minguito.
Yan yung mga player ninyo. Hindi mo kailangan bigyan ng kumpiyansa.
It's a foul on Ray Martin.
Si Barkley Ibonya doon, and yun na nga, ang natuloy doon, si Barkley lang.
Whoa! Erased by Sanjo.
Sabi, erase.
Kita mo naman, sinalubong talaga sa ere, no? 76-81. Sanjo against Alter. 12 seconds to shoot. Sanjo. Nope. Kalawit rebound naman dito ng UP. James Payosing. Fakes. That's a foul on Eman Calo. Seconds on the shot clock. Eman Calo. Sanjo wants it against Alter. No look pass. KD Arya too strong. Agawan ng bola. Puyos gustong sumundot. Here comes Ogana. Siya lang mag-isa. Ogana spins. Stolen away by Minguito. That is a foul against Dimakulangan.
Good foul.
Bibit-bit. The conductor. Shalado. Concepcion. Alters. Nope. KD Aryar. Goes reverse. Sayang yun for Aryar.
Exactly. Breaks up the game eh. May yung mga 50-50 balls, yung mga point blank range.
6 minutes. Dimakulangan fires. And gets that one.
Clearly, he's hesitating. Dribbling 1 and 2. But rather deciding to shoot that 3. That is his first 3-point of this tournament.
First 3-point shot ni Dimakulangan of this tournament, but for this ball game, 9 3-point shots now for UP as Payosing gets the foul. James Payosing. Ogana fires. Wow! Look at the thrust of James Payosing to Ogana, no?
Exactly. Again, kanina, open na open itong Dimakulangan. Hindi nakita ni James Payosing. Pero may hinahanap pala siya. Itong si Ogana has 4.3 points made so far of the game. Calo again trying to answer that.
Pero Puyos to Dimakulangan. Ogana. Dimakulangan misses. Oh! What a putback coming from James Payosing.
Oh, alam mo, James Payosing, small guard, playing guard from the outside, really loves playing inside now.
Nautakan niya sa positioning doon sa Salado. Ojula against Ododu. Ojula. That's a foul and one for Emmanuel Ojula. 4 minutes time remaining. RV Puyos drops it. Di nakuha doon ni Ododu.
Oh, pa-layup na yun eh. Eman Ojola not known to be a shot blocker.
Calo. Cross-court pass. Good read by Dimakulangan. Dimakulangan tries to drive. Stolen away, but the dive of Ododu. Steal by Minguito. Calo against Puyos. Concepcion. Back to Calo. Santos. Concepcion. gets the 3-point foul. Minguito taps it, stolen away by James Payosing. 2 and 15. Corner 3, that's good again for UP.
Payosing, that time, very patient on that fast break. Hinanap talaga niya. Itong shooter who's very hot all throughout the game. Itong si Ugana, that is his 5th 3-pointers of the game.
And for this ball game, coach, meron na silang 11 3-point shot and kalawit rebound pa for Ugana.
Last 2 minutes na tayo. Ugana now. Pag isa to, heat check na to.
Payosing misses that one.
That's a bad shot there for James Payosing. Akala ko, aatake niya. Sana dun sa side ni
Okay,
Ugana eh.
Another steal coming from Timakulangan. 2 crucial steals para sa kanya.
Exactly. That's what I told you earlier. You know, crafty defender. And also, he's long.
And also may confident na bumitaw.
Oo.
Timakulangan. Payosing all day. Payosing rattles out. Dalawang miss na yun for James Payosing.
Yes. Kailangan niya atakihin sa side ni Ugana kasi
Oo, no?
kanina pa yun nakakashoot eh.
Santos fires. Big 3 coming. Nope. That's a foul on Ojula.
4 na shooter to.
Calo fires. Big shot for Calo. Miss. Ojula. Pressure Sancho. Missing that one. The dive. Goes to Sherwin Concepcion. Minguito for 3. That's good! For Vincent Minguito.
1, 2, 3. Walang-go Island.
Vincent Minguito. Look at that shot. Kalkulado for Vincent Minguito. Nothing but net for Mingming. And the handoff for Sherwin Concepcion. From Sherwin Concepcion.
Kanina ninyo, we talk about
Nabigay yung bola. Puyos to James Payosing. Payosing drops it to Sean Alter. Lead change. UP up by 1.
what did I tell you, Nino? Anong sabi ko sa'yo kanina? Kailangan atakihin. Tinawag ko si James, atake. Itong Fighting Maroons, James Payosing, he can dance, he can pass, and alter with that finish.
4.9. Half-court inbound for Alicia X. Willick. Sancho will receive this one. Escobedo against RB Puyos. Escobedo. Calo for 3. Calo misses. Rebound andito. Saan papunta? That is a foul on Sherwin Concepcion.
That was a good pass by Oskip.
No, this guy misses that free throw, but
Natin sa mga ganito, puso. 1 out of 2 there for...
PM.
And then sa gabi na, alas 6
gabi na, oo.
and alas 8.
4 na games pala tayo bukas. So now, Eman Calo. Sancho wants it. Will they go for the quick 2? Sancho against Alter. Sancho to tie the game!
That time, UP Fighting Maroons for King Sancho. Parang sabi ni Coach Goldwyn Monteverde, Sean, I trust you. Mano a mano.
One-on-one that time, Sancho.
Yes, para hindi mag-14.
Oo. So no more shot clock here. One-on-one ito. Puyos against Salado.
Exactly.
12 seconds to shoot. One-on-one. Ugana to tie the game. Ugana! Wow! Big shot! No more timeout. No more timeout. Eman Calo to tie the game. Calo. Nope. Escobedo and UP Fighting Maroons. Ugana is his name, coach.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ugana! Oh!
Whoa! What a celebration for UP Fighting Maroons. And what a win for them, coach. And what a way to win this game.
LL. Russell Ogana. It's so nice. You need to say it twice. As UP Fighting Maroons, sabi ni Ogana, I understand wala nang Alarcon, wala na yung Fab Five. Pero he's ready to help here for Coach Goldwyn Monteverde, giving them their second win here in our tournament.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays make big time plays. Woo!